A small tree shivered as winter wrapped the forest in ice, but it stayed calm because its roots whispered old tricks. The cold froze ponds and quieted animals, so the tree pulled water deep into its core, which meant the ice couldn't crack its bark. Snow pressed on its branches, so it bent low, which helped the wind slide past. Frost tried to bite its buds, so it tucked them tight like sleeping children. Spring finally arrived, but the tree gasped when it saw tiny footprints on its trunk. Its own roots had wandered out to check on it. Now close your eyes and dream.